And they also have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible! And for them, they deserve another round of applause. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. Contains nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Nice smile. And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the surface of the water. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores. Like rocky cliffs with tide pools, they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing ability and can easily scale rocky cliffs. So check it out. A very strong front flipper. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Yeti. Sea lions usually cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while the back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders or steering. And that is their normal swim. Slow and easy. Thank you very much, Jenny. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed of up to 25 miles an hour. That surely is a fast swim. Great job, Isis. How about a round of applause for Isis? That was really, really fast.